Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn draggables and resizables in jQuery UI. These are the simple techniques we can apply in our HTML form controls. How it is, I'll show you. Very simple HTML form I'm taking, and I'll tell you a simple idea how you can grab all these things. You need not to write a simple, even a single line. I'm challenging you. Like open the form and paste over here. All right, save it and let's see the output how it is. Yes, this is the drag around. Like this is the control I'm going to explaining you about drag. Now I'm holding this text with mouse and I'm dragging to right. It is here and dragging to down. It is here and dragging to middle. It is there. Turn around in the client side wherever I want. And if I want to, I'm leave that and my mouse is left part. If I refresh this on by default where this position it will be stay the position at place. All right. Such simple technique we can apply in our HTML forms using jQuery UI. How it is? Just open your code. See these all the things like a draggable, which style you want to add, you can add it your custom. And here this is the source for jQuery like a UI you want to use. You add these two lines. That is a very common. It will be available anywhere, and you know that. And we are using like a JavaScript like a jQuery calling function here. That's it. And a div tag draggable ID is draggable only, and this ID is called here. And the class is the UI widget something class it is applied here. You can use for the class name if you wish and drag me around where you want. This is the p tag within the div tag only it is. This is the thing, and this is the function draggable method we are calling for JavaScript like a jQuery UI. The library is predefined library is available within the jQuery UI site. Just simply take the code from there and place it. That's it. Nothing needed to do and nothing more. If you want to do one more controller like this, you take these lines of code copy and paste over here. And this line only, not lines. This line only you have to take for another ID and you apply it and check with output. There you can turn around, you can make it is a move to the from where you want to where. That's it. About to drag. And come to the resizable. The resizable, when I reached jqueryui.com resizable, here is an option of resizable, right? See, this is the resizable means if I expand this window, it automatically resize the window. Like you see, if I added any control or text box or something image or input information for displaying purpose I have added, yes, you can resize it as you wish. For this to avail this code, you just simply scroll down and view the source. In this page, jquery.com, you have an option provision like a view source. See this entire code, take a copy and paste in your HTML and you avail of this resizable. Just see the ID of div and here it is mentioned the ID of the div. And the function you have to call it is resizable. That's it. Everything is done. You need not to make a single line of code. You're just making and interaction and adding your custom IDs that div tag which ID you are going to offering that ID it is required to place. Don't you make adding the IDs? That's it. You have to learn the things. Likewise, we'll think about more and more. These all the controls. So few of the controls we are going to discussing in these lectures. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.